Hello. How to connect your Olympia-Lab account and MOG, okay, loymasters.com. Make the login on the platform of the game, okay, personal data. You check that on profile, personal data, and you have your ID account. Okay, so switch the button to copy the ID account, then go back to Olympia-Lab Workshop, and you have how to pass and put the password and the button, yellow button connects. Check if in EM coin and orbs coupon you have the same information. Okay, and put that and connect all that. Why? In the future, with the development of the game to the external market, you will receive earnings and all that will be connected to your Olympia-Lab platform.